Hi everybody, it's Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to check out the Sharpie Creative Markers. They are water-based acrylic markers. Steffi G told me about these. And a week and a half, 2 weeks ago maybe, I've been looking for them when I shop at Walmart. Yeah, I could have ordered them. I just never thought about it. Well, I mentioned them to Scott. And he always tells me, well, take a picture and send it to me. So he was at Walmart like maybe 2 weeks ago, 3, and he found them and he bought them for me. So I have not even tested them out yet. They've been sitting here. So let's check them out. I got one of my art journals out. So it says new noodle scan to see them in action. Oh, well, whatever. So he got me the bowler tips. I don't know if there's different tips. I just know that's what he grabbed. And let's see, there are 12 of them. It looks like a red, an orange, a yellow, a green, a blue, a teal, a dark blue, a purple, a pink, a white, a gray, and a black. So let's start with the black. And let's see. No bleed through on paper. So try brush tip. Yep. Okay. So I imagine you want to shake them. Oh, maybe you don't even have to shake them. Oh. Well, that's cool. So let's see. And I always do a lot of doodling, so if I can get away with these, that'd be cool. No odor. So that's the black. Good cover. And here's like the gray or silver. Oh, silver. It's a silver. It's got a metallic finish look to me. The figure best way, let's doodle on a page I already have done. Here's a white. Ooh, nice color white. Nice and bright. Now we're going to get into the colors. Pink. Nice color pink. Purple. Here's my cat. She has separation anxiety, I swear to God. Scott's not home. Yes, I know, baby. What's wrong, BB? What's wrong with Harley, girl? Her name's Harley. So we have a blue. Oh, I'm liking the blue. I like how vibrant it is. And this is like a green, at least maybe a green. Could be like a teal too, I'm not sure, so we'll see. It's definitely a green. Pretty green though. And this looks like a teal. And then this is like another shade of green. So let's do some dots. It's like a lime green. Really cool. Yellow. Ooh, I like the yellow. Very bright. Nice. And now orange. So let's, ooh, nice orange too. And last but least, red. It covers over another color really well, so that's a good thing. I feel like I got the 80s vibe going on here. Very happy with them. I like this. They're smooth. They're very smooth to use. So for 20 bucks, they're worth the 20 bucks. I'll give them a 10. Let's see if they bleed though. So let's go right here and we'll just kind of go through them again real quick. I don't use pens like this to color. This is more or less to doodle. So and I'll just build the background later with it. I do like this teal color though. Oh, I already grabbed that one. Oh well. Oopsie. Oh, fingers. Ooh. Let's see. And then we have the white, so I could go, oh, that's the wrong one. My bad. Okay, white. And come in and like kind of doodle with the white dots. So let's see. This is just one of those $5. I don't know if there still are $5 sketchbook from Michael's. I haven't been to Michael's in so long. I don't even know if they still sell them. This is one I had. I've been just randomly trying to use up. So let's see. No. Looks, I mean, you can see the lines, but they didn't bleed through. So that's good. I'm very happy with them. I think they look good. They work great. I can't wait to use them on more projects. Ooh, let's see. Here we go. This is acrylic paint. Let's see how well it goes over. Yeah, awesome. So, and let's see. I got a good choice to test on too. Let's back where right. Trying to remember. Right here. Now this is that Tapira sticks that I have. I don't know where I put them right now. They're little paint sticks I was using. Oh, here they are. They come like this. Like this, Tapira paint sticks. I used all sorts of different mediums. And when I was doing my hands, here we go, this is them too. I couldn't control a paintbrush, so I was going nuts. So I got them out. So let's see if they use on this type of paint, because it's more of a waxy paint. Not bad. I definitely clean the tip after you're done using, because you can kind of tell a little bit. Cool. I'm very happy with them. Very, 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 very happy with them. Cool. I'm very happy with them. So yeah, cool. So I'd give them a 10 I'm very satisfied with them. I'm going to start getting back into art journaling. No. I do a lot of in here. This is just random paint and toilet paper because it's stuck. You don't know, just cover that up. This, I have no idea what I was doing. Quick trick, Jocelyn, Casey, quick trick. I have no idea what I was doing there. I have no idea. So I'll just cover that up. But yeah. Them are Tapira paints. That's, yeah. I thought this in a magazine. I thought it was so cool. So we used it. But I just wanted to share them with you. I keep moving them on here, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get this done. Like, this was an idea that I saw where it's just random letters that you have. You know, you use the sheet and you got all these random. So I just did this, and then I put paint over it. That's what art journaling is about, just using your imagination. You necessarily don't always have to cover them up either. Mine are so random. But I want to thank you for watching. They are 20. Mine I found at Scott told me at Walmart for $20. I don't know what they are on Amazon. I have them in my wish list. So, but now I just put them in a thing by themselves instead of the tray. So I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Good night.